Hello friends, today I will explain about the topic the respiratory system. Respiratory system is responsible for the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the body and the environment. It includes the airways such as nose, mouth, trachea and bronchioles, the lungs where gas exchange occurs, and muscles involved in breathing like diaphragm and intercostal muscles. When you breathe in, air enters the body through the nose or mouth. They travels down the trachea and enters the lungs through the bronchi. In the lungs, oxygen from the air diffuses into the bloodstream, while carbon dioxide from the blood is released into the air in the lungs to be exhaled. The exchange of gases is essential for cellular respiration, which provides the body with energy. First one is uh, nose and the mouth. Air enters the respiratory system through the nose or mouth. The nose filter warms and humidifies the air before it reaches the lungs. The mouth can also be used for breathing, but it lacks the filtering and warming the functions of the nose. Trachea, that is called windpipe. The trachea is a tube that carries air from the nose and mouth to the lungs. It is supported by C-shaped rings of cartilage to keep it open and prevent collapse. Third one is bronchi and bronchioles. The trachea branches into two bronchi, each leading to one lung. Within the lungs, the bronchi further divided into smaller tubes called bronchioles, which eventually lead to a tiny air sac called alveoli. Fourth one is alveoli. Alveoli are the site of gas exchange in the lungs. They are small, thin walled sacs surrounded by networks of tiny blood vessels called capillaries. Oxygen from the air diffuses through the alveolar walls into the capillaries, where it binds to hemoglobin in the red blood cells. At the same time, carbon dioxide moves from the blood into the alveoli to be exhaled. Fifth one is diaphragm and intercostal muscles. These muscles are responsible for the mechanics of breathing. The diaphragm contracts and flattens, while the intercostal muscles between the ribs contract to expand the chest cavity, allowing air to be drawn into the lungs. Relaxation of these muscles allows the chest cavity to decrease in size, causing exhalation. Sixth one is respiratory control center. In respiratory control center, breathing is regulated by the respiratory control center in the brainstem, which receive input from the sensors that monitor levels of oxygen carbon dioxide, and the pH in the blood. This control center adjusted the rate and depth of breathing to maintain optimal levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the body. Overall, the respiratory system ensures that the body receives an adequate supply of oxygen while removing carbon dioxide, helping to maintain homeostasis and support the body's metabolism process. Thank you.